Hi, welcome to week 9. Time's flying by. This week we're going to be into project human resource management. As a project manager, you're going to deal with people, and this is very crucial as far as how to get projects done, how to get the work done. So some of it'll be organizational, some of it'll be personal, because part of the problem is, do you know how to manage yourself, your emotions? How do you deal with people? How do you communicate? How do you get things across? How do you deal with stress? All of these things come into play, and that's kind of what this chapter is, not only on a personal level, but on a team basis and on a project basis. So I've got here Quizlet terms, 2 assignments, and a reflection journal. Haven't done one in a while, so I kind of missed up on that one. And then the Chapter 9 exam. So hope you enjoy this chapter, and I actually hope you learn something about yourself. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.